GBP, JPY buys, basically what we're looking for is just a continuation of the upside. On the 30-minute, we have not the greatest candle closing, especially the last two candles. We had a major rejection. This candle opened, tried to push up, rejected. This candle's coming down. I'm still thinking we're going to come up and retouch this area here enough for a continuation, at least for 2 RR or 1.5 RR. Nothing crazy, but if we can come wick down into this area, again, let's go to the lower time frames. What is the trend during this session? Right? That's all we're looking at. What is the trend during the session? You feel me? It's just a small uptrend. Now, if we sell off from here and come down to here, that's a whole other story. For now, we can only follow the trend. So I'm going to go ahead and once I get a nice little push to the downside here, and that'll be the one. Let's see. Yeah, nothing crazy, right? We're trying to run this account up from 100 to 10K. So I kind of take the trades that I see when they set up. That's basically my game plan there. If we can blow out these highs up here, that'd be awesome, isn't it? I think if we just continue that momentum. Let's see if we can get that push up here. Again, the challenge is $100 to 10K. So trading during New York session, Asian session. So be mindful of this. That rejection and that little bit of momentum isn't really anything until we have a close. And it closes with that same momentum, that same green candle. And we still have 4 more minutes of that candle. Okay? It really means nothing. And time again, you can watch this, go back bearish. You would have had a better opportunity. Price can set up here, make it look like it's going to continue up. You just never know the momentum. Like there's times where this right now would just shoot up and fly to that take profit. You have no idea. Or there's times where it's going to shoot up, boom, done. Oh, we're going to open a candle, come back down, touch down here again, go back up, mess around. You just don't know. That's why your best opportunity is to, as soon as it touches that area, just get in. You see a rejection, even better. I tried to get in before the rejection. I just didn't actually click my button because of my Logitech mouse has been acting funny. So I had to 3 times. But either way, the rejection was there, and that gave me a little bit more confidence in the trade. But either way, we're just here to play out our odds. That's it, man. We're looking for that break of that high up there. And if you can see the fee here, $6.32 for a 0.79 lot size. Pretty cray-cray. So we're literally break even right here. So 3 pips in a profit, we're still break even. 3 pips in a profit. And if we lose this trade, the plan after that is, right, and I'm okay with risking 25 to sometimes $50. So, well, 35, I think. Oh, 46. The odds are in our favor here, man. I mean, look, I show this over and over again. I took $100 and we're at $800 almost, okay? It works. You just got to find the right trend, find the right time frame to trade on, have the right strategy, and have the right confidence, stop loss, and risk. It's kind of all there is to it. So remember what I said? We wanted that candle to close bullish. Candle can still come down here and break the low and then go back up. Remember, if you watch any of my live trades, you'll see that happen. So here we are getting momentum now. So I have to document everything or else everybody's going to be like, oh, it's a scam. So look at that volatility, guys. I'm going to go ahead and close partials. So I'm going to close about half of this, which is going to be 0.4. We'll do 0.45. Mink. I take that. Bring that stop loss to break even. Confirm. All right. Let the rest run. Let's see if we can break these highs up here. So let's go ahead and close that trade. I mean, what a trade, right? Go ahead and get out of that. About to breach that new high there. And that's basically it. So again, if the setup is not there, then don't take it. And don't take it. But if it's there, we're taking it. And the setup's got to be good, man. I mean, listen, what was the breakdown on this? Say what you want about trends. I'm not using a trend line. I'm using an area of momentum, aka supply or demand, whatever you want to call it, liquidity, fair value gaps, a big candle, whatever you want, bro. Doesn't matter. Where is price going during the time that you're trading? I'm trying to say this over and over again in my video. So anyways, on to the next day. We're done for the night. I shall see y'all tomorrow. Whoa, we were in that trade for 10 minutes. GG's, everybody. GG's. Good game, everybody. Good game, GBP, JPY. GG's.